Hey family, welcome back to the Hillside Homestead. Today I just want to talk a few minutes about Gardening 101. A lot of people, including myself, have fears, and a lot of our fears come because we don't want to fail. And I can't tell you how many times I have planted something to see it die. But I know that if you don't start, it won't grow. So why don't you start small? You don't have to start big. You can start in a container, a tote, just like this. And what I have done, and you don't even have to do this, I put my food scraps and old leaves in here. But you can just go and get some dirt. I have organics, potting soil or container soil, and I have a different brand here. It doesn't matter. Just make sure it's organic so that you can stay healthy. Just put it in a pot, in a pail, a bucket, or in a tote. You can start with starter plants. You don't have to start with seeds. Place your plants inside the dirt, inside the soil, and watch them grow. It's amazing to see how those plants grow. But in order to see it, you have to start somewhere. So let's get rid of our fears. God will help you. When the children of Israel had to cross that Red Sea, they had to step into the sea before it parted. God told Moses, "Fear not, stand still and see the salvation of the Lord." And that's what I want to say to you this morning, family. You don't have to fear. We need to be gardening. Things are just getting too expensive, and gas to get there, to buy it. You can do some things on your own. Get some pots, get some totes. Some of us have these laying around. Fill them with some potting soil, and let's get growing. And that is what I wanted to leave with you today. Let's get rid of our fear. What I'm going to do now is put some of this soil in here. What is going to happen with these, they're just going to break down and they're going to turn to soil. You can even put your paper towel in there, your toilet tissue rolls, paper towel rolls, toilet tissue rolls, and it will break down over time. So from the Hillside Homestead, make it a great afternoon, a great day. Be a blessing to someone, and God bless you also.